You're my heartbeat, my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that James Brown did when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna
Max
feel
Turkey
free
360.
like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum.
Dad, why are we standing here?
That bloody seats, mate. But the plus is, it's going to be a lot easier getting out.
We tried to go unreserved and there were no seats.
Spencer Street.
Say it again. What undercover say to you?
Well, we're currently travelling at 240 kilometres an hour. Temperature inside is 24 degrees. Going to...
Should be a pilot.
They feel like 240 kilometers an hour.
Not to me.
I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat.
Currently 6 a.m. We're walking to the Icewall.
What do you think, Marianne?
I think I want a monkey.
You want one?
Well, I walked up this high. I want to see a monkey.
Are the stairs a challenge?
What do you reckon?
Hi, Lena. Want ice cream?
Yeah. Hi, Mum. Come the stragglers. Going up there.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum.
Go.